Presenting IMI Growth Hub, a content series showcasing how IMI's innovation engine solves the problems that keep our customers up at night. Because when our customers grow, we grow.
At South Korea's Pocheon 1,450 megawatts combined cycle power plant, a critical turbine valve was failing under extreme conditions of 200 bar pressure drop, 320 degrees Celsius, and severe flashing. The result? Heavy erosion. Trim replacements every 3 to 6 months. Rising downtime. And escalating costs. The Pocheon facility engineering team needed a solution built for their application. Partnering with them, we delivered EroSolve Flashing, engineered to control flashing by relocating it downstream and dissipating energy gradually. After installation, the Pocheon team reported a 4-fold increase in valve life. Maintenance intervals were extended by up to 2 years. They identified minimal erosion, and downtime and operating costs were significantly reduced. If flashing is limiting your plant's performance, we design EroSolve Flashing around your reality. Download the full Pocheon case study to learn more.